Hi everyone, this is Jennifer. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce two lash picking boxes. These two lash boxes are our new style boxes. Let me see. The first one is this silver shine lash picking box. This box has a skylight. It shines when you are shopping or appointment. You can put it in your bag. It's perfect. You can see. And the second one, this gold flower box. This gold box gives a feeling of luxury, also with a skylight. And this box is printed with flowers and plants, has the Chinese nation. If you want to know more details, please contact with me, and if you have good idea, can also tell me. Today's sharing is here. See you next time. Bye.